Get ready to discover the laziest ways to line your pockets online. First up, let's tap into the power of AI. Use it to create a passive income goldmine by developing a top-notch course. Simply ask AI to generate an 8-week outline and compelling content on a specific topic. Now let's dive into the realm of ebooks. I can be your trusty sidekick here too. Request a comedic 5-page ebook on a niche topic from AI, and then sprinkle your own magic on it. But hold on, we're not done yet. Unleash AI. Unleashed artificial intelligence's marketing prowess for affiliate success. Ask artificial intelligence to craft irresistible ads for niche products using its unique voice and style. Sit back and relax as the commissions roll in. No product creation required. Last but not least, let's exploit arbitrage on eBay. It's as easy as copying and pasting pictures of products from platforms like Walmart, then reselling them at higher prices. It's like finding a hidden treasure trove of profit.